Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach. Aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, May 4th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had one understanding trade short. We had a power play in the ES, and then the power play again in Crude in the TF. Both at the same time on those power plays, and I'm going to run you through exactly what we did, what I said, everything like that, and let you guys know what we did. The first trade we had, like I said, was an understanding trade, and that was right up here after the 939 candle. We got short at 12.50. Okay, 12.50 right after this candle closed. Open right there. I said just get short. Some people actually got filled at 75, they said, but 12.50, and we took that one down. Most people got 2 to 3 points. We did have a trade down here, okay, that activated right here, which I'll talk about next. So I told everybody if they were still in, it was getting late in the morning and they didn't want to, they couldn't stay during lunch or whatnot. Everybody would have been able to get 3 points down there, okay, at 9.50. Okay, so 2 to 3 points on that trade. Obviously, it went further, but the room closed here, so we actually stayed a little bit later, and I'll talk about that next. It was a winning trade. Then we had a power play. At 10:54, I said I would stay extra to see if this works, or we would then add, just get out of the trade if need be. And that's exactly what we did. And we got short at 2109 quarter, right on this arrow, 2109 quarter. And then we added at 11 quarter. Okay, 11 quarter, we added to the trade up here. And again, because the room was going to be closing and everything like that, I said once it comes back down, just get out at break even, and then we'll go from there. I did tell everybody again, which I'm not going to count because the room was closed, although I did make an official call. I said if it comes down here within the first hour, hour and a half during lunch, again, it activates at 9 quarter. You can go ahead and take that, and I actually said I would hit that with full contracts, even though it was during lunch, because it would at least go down to get us into a risk-free trade. We expect it to go down up to 1.5 to 2 points, and I actually said 675 was my 650, 675 was where I expected it to go, and that is exactly where it went. But again, most people were gone, and I can't assume people took that trade. So break-even trade here, winner here. Then again in the TF, a little different in the TF. In the TF, again, we got short there. Same time as the power play. Chart looked a little bit different. 1233.7. 1233.7, and on this one I said once you get your 10 or 15 ticks, go to entry, because again we had this ZL here that was kind of holding this thing up. This is where we know that buyers may come in a little bit, and then more importantly than that, the room was closing. So under normal circumstances I would say take plus 15, go minus 15 and see if it can keep going down. But because the room was closed and because we had those buyers there, I just said get 10 or 15 ticks, go to entry. If it comes up and takes you out on your runner, it takes you out on your runner, but at least you make 100, 150 bucks per contract on the first batch. So that's what we did, okay? And no losers in the room. And we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. So until then, guys, have a great day.